Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a pressing issue in the realm of space exploration: the challenges posed by space debris. This story unfolds with an unexpected delay in the return of Chinese astronauts aboard the Shenzhou 20 mission due to potential debris collision. Chinese astronauts Chen Dong, Chen Zhongrui, and Wang Jia had been orbiting Earth for over half a year before the mission's conclusion was suddenly postponed. They had just handed over control of the Tiangong Space Station to the incoming Shenzhou 21 crew and were expected to return to Earth on the 5th of November. However, last-minute concerns about possible impact from a small piece of space debris prompted the delay. The Chinese Manned Space Agency has been tight-lipped about the specific issues faced by Shenzhou 20, leaving many to question the preparedness of current space rescue strategies. Space debris is a significant threat to missions, comprised of remnants from old satellites, rocket parts, and other debris orbiting at high speeds. Even tiny fragments can inflict serious damage on spacecraft. Darren McKnight, a space debris expert, emphasizes that the lack of communication about such incidents hampers global efforts to understand and assess the risks posed by space debris. This incident reignites the conversation on the necessity of effective space rescue plans. Experts advocate for compatible communication and support systems between spacecraft to mitigate these risks. Unlike maritime endeavors, where rescue coordination has evolved over decades, space missions require similar advancements to ensure astronaut safety. Some experts propose the creation of a small, strategic nonprofit organization to spearhead the development of space rescue plans. This entity could work towards standardizing procedures and conducting rescue planning drills. The goal is to have these measures ready for implementation before the next incident occurs, strengthening the safety of future space missions. The Shenzhou 20 incident underscores the substantial challenges space missions face from debris. Moving forward, international collaboration and dedicated efforts are essential to develop effective rescue plans that protect astronauts and ensure mission success. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and discoveries from the world of science.